Namaste from Sarva. Welcome to today's yoga session. This is Basavaraj, yoga therapist from Sarva, and today we have one more yoga practitioner, Snehaji, with me. Today we will be learning and practicing a specific yogic practices to enhance the functioning of our reproductive organs. Before going for the practical session, let us know little information about the menstrual periods. Usually during menstrual periods, women will get the problems of backache, lower abdominal pain, or cramps of the muscles and heavy bleeding. Just to alleviate or to reduce the symptoms of what I shared now, the yoga will definitely help. That asanas are the yogic practices we are going to study and practice today. Without making further delay, we will start the practical session. Yes, let's get ready. Now, for that one, please be seated in a meditative posture, both hands in chin mudra, palms over your knee joints, palms facing the ceiling. Make your back straight as much as possible. You may roll your shoulders once back to keep your chest expand, chin parallel to the ground. Gently close your eyes. Become aware of your breathing patterns. You are observing your breathing patterns, continuously concentrating on the movement of the breaths. Try not to let your mind to go anywhere. Let it be completely on the movement of the breath. Now, consciously 3 deep breathings we are going to have. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. Now slowly and gently open your eyes with blinks. Yes, super. Now, before going for the practical session, we are going to have little bit of stretches or the warm up just to avoid cramps for the body. Yes, for that one, we are going to have 3 stretches. For the first one, the giving lateral stretch to the spine. Inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Join the palms at the top, get full upward stretch. After joining the palms, try to stretch fully up. Try to feel the stretch till lumbar region. Then exhaling, hands by the sides with synchronization. Yes, palms to the ground. Yes, fully down, exhale down. Yes, like this 4 more rounds we are going to have. Inhale, laterally up, join the palms at the top. After joining the palms, stretch fully up towards the ceiling. Then exhale, hands by the sides, palms facing down and to the ground. Exhale, super. 3 more rounds. Inhale, deeply, join the palms and stretch fully up. Exhale by the sides. Very good. 4th round, inhale, join and stretch up. Exhale by the side. Last round, 5th round, inhale, fully stretch up. Join, fully stretch up. Exhale by the side. Yes. Now we are going for the one forward fold. Inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Exhaling, bend forward from the lumbar. Try to bend from the lumbar. Try to lengthen your spine as much as possible. Try to move your fingers, palms as much as possible for every exhale. Stay there. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up along with the hands. Exhaling, hands by the sides. Very good. 2 more rounds we are going to have. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Very good. Lengthen your spine for every exhale. 1, 2, have deep breathings. 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale by the side. Last round. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Lengthen your spine. Try to open your armpits completely. Still lengthen your spine. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale by the side. Keep your legs crossed now. Now we are going to have spinal twist. Inhale. Keep your left palm over the right knee joint. Keep your right palm behind to make your back straight. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, twist your whole trunk towards right. Try to twist as much as possible for every exhale. Stay there for 5 deep breathings. Yes, very good. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, twist. One more. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, twist. Stay here 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, turn front completely. Now other side we are going to hold your left knee joint with the right hand, left palm behind on the ground. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, completely twist towards left. Yes, twist fully. Inhale, exhaling only we need to twist. Yeah, stay here 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, turn front and relax. One lateral movement for the spine we are going to have. Inhale, lift the left hand laterally up. Exhale, bend laterally towards right. You may keep your palm or the forearm on the ground. Gaze towards the sky. Have 5 deep breathings. Try to twist completely towards the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale towards other side. Have 5 deep breathings. Gaze towards the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, right hand down. Both the hands down. It's enough. Now we are going to practice the specific practices which enhance the functioning of our reproductive organs. Yes, for that one, keep your legs stretched forward in Dandasana position. First asana we are going to practice is Swastikasana. For that one, keep your palms by the sides of the glutes. Keep your chest expanded, heels together. If possible, big toes together. Gaze towards the front and have 5 deep breathings. We are in Dandasana first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Swastikasana, exhaling, bend the left leg at the knee joint. Take your left foot to the right thigh, inwards. Yes. Then inhale there itself, exhaling, right foot, keep it between the left calf muscle and the thigh. Yes. Try to keep your both knee joints over your knee joints. Yes, back straight, both hands in Chin Mudra please. Sit straight, eyes closed, 5 breathings. This is Swastikasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly open your eyes. Inhaling, take your right leg forward. Exhale there itself. Inhaling, stretch the left leg forward. Very good. Now we are going for the next asana, Vajrasana. For that one, keep your both the palms on the left side of the left thigh. Exhaling, bend both the legs backwards, sit over the heels. Come to Vajrasana. Try not to overlap your toes or the feet. Keep them side by side. Palms over your thighs. Palms over your thighs. Trunk straight. Look forward. Have 5 deep breathings. We are in Vajrasana. We are going to have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next asana, Supta Vajrasana. Inhaling, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Exhaling, bend forward from the lumbar, palms facing forward. Try to lengthen your spine as much as possible. Yes, suck the belly completely inside. Try to sit over the heels. Try not to lift your glutes from the heels. Yes, 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way up. Exhale by the sides. Now next asana we are going to practice is Simhasana, lion's pose. For that one, you may keep your palms by the sides of the knee joints on the ground. First try to listen the procedure, that is with inhalation we will be inhaling through the nostrils. Exhalation, at the time of exhalation we need to open the mouth, widen the mouth, then protruding the tongue outwards and taking the tongue towards and ground. Eyesight should be between the eyebrows and we need to keep exhale as long as possible. Yes, please. Inhale, exhale. Yes, yes, very good. Gaze between the eyebrows, please. You are right. Good. Try to keep the tongue outwards as much as possible, as long as possible. Yes, once exhalation capacity completes, you may start for the second round. Inhale, exhale, protrude completely. Yes, super, super. 1. Now keep exhaling. Very good. 3 more rounds. Last 3. Inhale. Yes. Super. 3. Fourth one. Good. Last round. Inhale. Super. Now we have done 5 rounds. Like that, you may also increase the number of rounds from 5 to 10 also. Every day one can practice 10 rounds of this Simhasana. Yes. Now we are going to practice standing asanas. For that one, inhaling, stretch your both the legs forward from the right. Shake your legs and please stand up. First asana, Tadasana. Keep your feet together completely, such that big toe should be together, heels should be together, palms to the thighs. Once you may roll your shoulders back to make your chest expand. Keep pulling your fingers towards the ground. Gaze at one point. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. Now Tadasana 1 we are going to practice. It can be practiced by keeping the feet together or keeping the feet apart. Now we are going to practice by keeping the feet apart. For that one, inhale, take your right foot towards right side, 1 foot distance, exhale there itself. Then inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling, join the palms at the top. Exhale, hands by the sides. Yes, this is Tadasana 1. Like that we are going to practice 4 more rounds. Inhale, laterally lift, join the palms at the top, stretch fully towards the sky. Exhale by the sides. Very good. 3 more, last 3. Inhale, try to synchronize the breath with the movement of the parts of the body. Exhale by the sides. Super. Last 2. Inhale, join and stretch up. Exhale by the side. Last one. Inhale, stretch up, join and stretch up. Yes. Exhale by the side. Very good. Be in the same posture and have normal breathing. We are going to practice Tadasana 2. For that one, inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Exhaling, bend forward halfway, only halfway, not to go down more than this one. Try to bend from the lumbar, lengthen your spine, expand the chest please, look forward. Yes, very good. Stay here for 5 breathings. 1, keep lengthening your spine forward. 2, 3, if we try to lift your toes up from the ground if possible. Yeah, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way up. Exhale by the sides. Super. 2 more rounds. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, lengthen your spine. Armpits try to completely open. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Last round. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Very good. 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. Be in the same posture and have normal breathings. We are going to practice next asana, Kati Parivartasana. For that one, place your palms over your waist. Throughout the asana, ensure that your feet should be facing the front and firmly on the ground. With inhalation, we are going to expand the chest. Exhaling, we are going to twist the trunk towards one side. Okay, inhale, exhale, try to twist fully towards right. Yes, breathe, breathe. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Stay here. 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Inhale, turn front. Exhaling other side. Before that, inhale once. Exhale, twist. Fully twist. Yes, very good. Twist fully. Inhale, exhale. One more attempt. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Stay here. 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Inhale, turn front and relax. Be in the same posture. Have normal breathings. Next asana we are going to practice is Ardha Chandrasana, that is lifting the left hand laterally up and exhaling, bending towards the right. Yes, inhale, lift the left hand laterally up, exhale, bend towards right, slide your right palm over the right leg, try not to lean forward, try as much as possible to bend laterally towards right. Breathe, super, super. Gaze towards the sky please. Breathe. 1. For every exhale, try to slide your palm down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale towards left. Super. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, right hand down. No, only that much. Exhale, right hand down and relax. Super. Inhale once, expand the chest. Exhale, join the right leg with the left leg. Super. Please be seated now. The asana session for today is over. We are going for the pranayama session. In today's session, we are going to practice the main basic pranayama, Ujjayi pranayama. We are going to practice. This is the one. It is also called as the one which helps to remove the problems of kapha, phlegm or the mucus, what we are telling in English. One more benefit of this Ujjayi pranayama is helps to improve the awareness or mindfulness of the body as well as mind. So today we are going to practice that one, the basic pranayama. For that one, both hands will be in Chin Mudra. The procedure for this one is, while inhaling and exhaling, we need to constrict the throat region and breathing. One more point about this Ujjayi pranayama is breathing. Consciously breathing will be happening through the throat region. Unconsciously breathing will be happening at the nostrils. So after at the time of inhalation and exhalation, try to get irritation or itching or the hissing sound at the back of the throat. If possible, if these three are also not getting, what you need to do is just trying to get feel of the movement of the breath at the throat region. That is also enough. Okay, we are going to practice this one. Yes, ji. Inhale, eyes closed please. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Totally 5 rounds we are going to practice. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, last one, inhale, exhale. Super. In the same closed eyes condition, lie down for relaxation. Yes, keep your legs apart, palms facing the sky. Keep your whole body in a relaxed state. Try not to have any tightness, any stiffness at any part of your body. Completely collapse your body on the mat. Now, you may keep your right palm over the abdominal area, left palm over the chest area, such that both the elbows are on the mat. Just take your awareness towards your abdominal movements. Start observing your abdominal movements for a minute. You are just observing your abdominal movements, not getting control over the movements of the abdominal area. Now, slowly keep your palms by the sides of the thighs, palms facing the sky. Yes, keep your feet together. Feet together, join your feet, hands over the head on the ground. Interlock your fingers, turn the palms out. Try to get full stretch from toes to fingers, full stretch. Then unlock your fingers, turn to one side, and please be seated by pressing the palm to the ground. Yes. Rub your palms with full force to get some warmness between the palms, forcefully. Then gently apply your palms to eyes, cheeks, and the whole face. By looking at your palms, slowly open your eyes. Yes. Thank you, Snehaji, for being a part of this session, and thank you for everyone for joining the session. Namaste.